Kagiso from Punjab Kings took 11 wickets in IPL season 2024. Akshar Patel from Delhi Capitals took 11 wickets in this season. Vaibhav Arora from KKR took 11 wickets in this season. Mohit Sharma from Gujarat Titans has took only 13 wickets in this season. Gerald Quadzia from Mumbai Indians has took 13 wickets in this season. Piyush Chawla from Mumbai Indians has 13 wickets in IPL 2024. Sandeep Sharma from Rajasthan Royals has 13 wickets in IPL 2024. Matisha Pathiranana from CSK took 13 wickets in IPL 2024. Naveen Ulhak from LSG has 14 wickets in this season. Mustafizur Rahman from CSK has 14 wickets in IPL 2024. Mohammad Siraj from RCB has 15 wickets in this season. Yash Dayal from RCB has 15 wickets in IPL 2024. Trent Bolt took 16 wickets in this season. Sam Curran from Punjab Kings took 16 wickets in IPL 2024. The left-arm spinner of Delhi Capitals, Kuldeep Yadav, took 16 wickets in IPL 2024. The pacer from Delhi Capitals, Khalil Ahmed, took 17 wickets. Mitchell Starc from KKR has 17 wickets in season 2024. From CSK, the pacer Tushar Deshpande took 17 wickets in this season. All-rounder from KKR, Sunil Narine took 17 wickets in IPL 2024. Mukesh Kumar from Delhi Capitals has 17 wickets in this season. SRH captain Pat Cummins has 18 wickets in this season. The spinner of Rajasthan Royals, Yuzvendra Chahal, took 18 wickets in IPL 2024. Avesh Khan from Rajasthan Royals has 19 wickets in IPL 2024. Arshdeep Singh from Punjab Kings took 19 wickets in this season. From Hyderabad, T. Natarajan has 19 wickets in this season. Harshit Rana from KKR has 19 wickets in this season. Andre Russell performed with the ball with 19 wickets in this season. A very good season for Jasprit Bumrah with 20 wickets and a great economy. Varun Chakravarti from KKR took 21 wickets in IPL 2024. Harshal Patel win Purple Cap with 24 wickets in IPL 2024.